how to create long YouTube videos using Grok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, first we will get a story, and for this we will use ChatGPT and just simply give ChatGPT a prompt like write a cute shortest story of two chipmunks playing in jungle. And after that, ChatGPT will give you a story. You can also ask ChatGPT to create a longer story, but in this video we will see this one so you can understand the tricks required in order to create longer videos in this short video. After getting your story, simply ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for this story scene by scene. And this way ChatGPT will give you scene by scene image prompts. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give any style. And in this video, I'm asking ChatGPT to provide the prompts for the high quality anime style images. And after that, ChatGPT will give me. Now what I have to do is just simply copy these prompts and open up Grok. On Grok, simply click on Imagine and over here, paste the prompt and hit enter. Then wait for it to generate the image. After that, select any of the image that is looking good to you according to your story, and suppose I want to get this one done. After that, you will need the prompt again. Paste the prompt over here and then click on generate. And after waiting for a while, this video will be generated. After the video is generated, simply select three dots over here and click on this option of upscale video. And after you upscale this video, it will be shown as HD video over here, and then you can simply download this video. After downloading this video, simply open it up. Now pause this video over here and go to the last frame where both these characters are visible, and then take the screenshot. Then close the video and get back. Then just simply upload the screenshot that we took. And after that, simply open up ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. And open up Grok again. Then paste the prompt and hit enter. And in case if you don't like the video, like this one, simply click on redo. This one is a little better, at least they are falling apart. And after that, just simply upscale it, get the HD version of it and download it. And after you download it, simply take the screenshot of the last frame of this video as well, then upload it and repeat the process. This way you can create longer videos using Grok. And for voiceover, you can use Google AI Studio, and over here simply paste the story and select the speaker, the voice that you want, and click on run. This way you would get the voiceover that you can download quite easily. And after that, you can use any video editing application in order to combine all these video clips and the audio and then edit according to your needs and requirements, and you would be able to create longer YouTube videos using this method. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.